That's my baby. She looks like ReN Stimpy. ReN Stimpy.
Okay.
Look at that. Good girl. You're doing so good. Aw. You're doing such a good job, Lulu. Look at little ReN.
she's small, so it's easy to control. But if it's big dog, maybe not.
Yeah, well, I found her harder to control, but nice job. Nice job. Love you, little bear. Yeah. Yeah, I thought the
Can you see how small she is?
yes, I am videoing it. So this is just making fuzz, right? Making liquid. That's good.
Or you can use something.
I have one underneath there. Oh, she's shaking. Poor little thing. Got it. You got it, little bear. You're doing it.